Welcome to Super Easy Math. In this video we're gonna solve this interesting equation. Please pause the video and give it a try. And now let's go ahead into solution. 2 to power x plus 3 to power x minus. Now 4 to power x is equal 2 square to power x. But we know that a to power x to power y is equal to a to power y to power x. So this can be written as 2 to power x all square. So minus 2 to power x square. Same for 9 to power x. So we can write it as 3 square to power x equal 3 to power x all square. So minus 3 to power x all square. And 6 to power x is equal. Now 6 is equal to times 3 to power x. We can distribute the power over the base, so 2 to power x times 3 to power x. Equal to 1. And now we will replace 2 to power x by a and 3 to power x by b. So we will get a plus b minus a square plus ab minus b square equal to 1. Bring 1 to this side, so minus 1 and minus 1 here. So we have a plus b minus a square plus ab minus b square minus 1 equal to 0. Now multiply this equation by minus 2. So we will get minus 2a minus 2b plus 2a square minus 2ab plus 2b square plus 2 equal to 0. And now we will decompose 2a square to a square plus a square, 2b square to b square plus b square, and plus 2 to plus 1 plus 1. And now let's arrange this equation. So a square minus 2a plus 1 in parentheses plus b square minus 2b plus 1 plus a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 0. Now a square minus 2a plus 1 is a minus 1 all square. Here it's b minus 1 all square, and here it's a minus b all square equal to 0. Now we have three positive numbers. Note that this equation is equal to 0 in one case if a minus 1 equal to 0 and b minus 1 equal to 0 and a minus b equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So we can say that a minus 1 equal to 0, b minus 1 equal to 0, and a minus b equal to 0. So here you will get a equal to 1, b equal to 1, and a equal to b. But if we go back, we took a equal 2 to power x and b equal to 3 to power x. So here a equal 2 to power x equal to 1, and 1 is equal 2 to power 0. So x equal to 0, and b equal to 3 to power x equal to 1 and 1 equal to 3 to power 0, so x equal to 0. So the solution for this equation is x equal to 0. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.